Hello and welcome to downtown Las Vegas. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sean from Miles to Memories, and we have a great video for you today. This is Casa Don Juan, a restaurant that Jasmine and I have been going to for over 20 years. It's located in the Arts District near Charleston and Main Street. The food is absolutely delicious. The prices used to be better, but overall it's a great place to check out if you are in downtown Las Vegas, as we were to stay at Circa. And we're gonna review the hotel, check out the Legacy Club and Stadium Swim. I also have a video on the channel from opening day where we go all through the casino and so many of the venues, so check that out as well. Plus, on this night, we also did a midnight walk on Fremont Street. That video is already out on the channel. You don't wanna miss it. We headed way east on Fremont to show you what it's like at midnight. It was a great time. This was the night before our 20th wedding anniversary. We stayed at Wynn Encore on our anniversary and Circa the night before, and it was a great stay as Jasmine checks in. One of my favorite things about the check-in desk at Circa is the backdrop changes, rotates every few minutes, giving you a beautiful look. Don't forget, we are giving away a Circa merch prize pack worth at least $50. All you have to do to enter is leave a comment on this video and give a thumbs up. All of the terms and details are in the description. If we get 1,000 likes in the first week, we'll do a second $50 prize pack. 2,000 likes, we'll do a third one. But let's head up to our room at Circa. Now, Circa has these brand new type elevators where you press the floor onto the touchscreen and then the elevator just takes you where you want to go. Let me know throughout this video what you think about the materials, about the look. This is the Circa elevator bay and hallway. A really attractive space. Can't wait to show you exactly what the room looks like. I really enjoyed this room. We had a standard king room. Welcome to Circa. This is a single king room with an upgraded strip view and a view of Stadium Swim, which you'll see in just a minute. Nice little seating area with couch here, keeping the Vegas theme strong. Really stunning strip views. Very large TV. A lot of places to sit here. The room isn't huge, but it does have a lot of nice little touches. Floor to ceiling views right down the strip. And of course, Stadium Swim, the rest of downtown Las Vegas as it gets dark. We'll show you that later. Being a new hotel, you have a tablet, which has all kinds of stuff for you. Desk area, even with some Circa water in it. Let's head into this really cool bathroom. Look at that wallpaper. Love it. I do think this is a little strange how the toilet is, but look at this beautiful shower with a seat, lots of space. No single-use toiletries here. Very clean, very modern. Let me know what you think about this room in the comments. Is it what you expected at Circa? So here is my take on the Circa room. It's about average size at 439 square feet. The materials are generally pretty good. Not the best quality materials that you'll find at a high-end luxury hotel, but sort of a mid-upper tier appearance. Really nice decor everywhere. Some materials I'm not a fan of, like the floors in the bathroom. The single-use toiletries would have been a nice factor here, but a lot of hotels are doing away with them because of the environment. We paid $119 plus $30 resort fee and tax, so about $168 out the door. And I feel like this room compares pretty well to just about anything else downtown, with the exception of maybe Golden Nugget's very nicest rooms. Overall, a big win for downtown and a very comfortable room, one that I enjoyed immensely. And I enjoyed this view as well, looking straight down Main Street, great views of the Strip. And we got to see Stadium Swim from our room. Let's head to Stadium Swim to check it out in person. It is located on the 6th floor. You take an escalator, a giant escalator up from the 2nd floor casino. It's like a water park with only zombies in it. Nobody here. We're gonna brave the outside to see how it is. You excited to go? Go swimming?
Yeah.
A polar plunge?
Yeah.
All right, let's get outside. Let's go.
Oh, it's so cold, sorry.
Wednesday night hockey.
Oh, it's not that cold. Oh, it's not that bad. We gotta get in the water before it gets too windy. Oh my God, I can feel the chill right now. It was actually very cold. It is windy. Hopefully they have everything nailed down today. Really want to get in the water, but I don't know if it's smart. It's pretty windy. Only one of the 6 pools is open. And that would be this one over here, but there's nobody in it.
Like you could argue right now. Him and Andre Vasilevsky is 1-2-2-1, however you want to slice it, for the Tampa Bay Lightning for the Vegas Golden Knights. Mark Stone, who I think, I would argue, Johnny, is the most underrated player in the entire National Hockey League. When you talk about all-around players, he might be at the top of the list when you talk
Jasmine
about...
doesn't want to go in the pool. Dude, what's a little wind and cold weather? I mean, I don't know. Somebody left a little something for you behind. You got to go in there and go dive in and get it. Come on, let's go swimming. It's not that cold. It's only like 50 degrees. Indeed, I did jump in the pool, but security was pretty quick to kick me out. There was lightning in the area, and they decided that it wasn't safe to be in the pool. So I got about 30 seconds of swimming time before they got over and kicked me out. It was really windy and there weren't too many people out enjoying it. Thankfully, Circa was kind enough to allow all of us out there to have our own private cabanas to enjoy the Golden Knights game. This is how to get a free cabana at Circa. You just have to be here during a tornado. What a great way to enjoy the game on that 143-foot screen. Circa features over 300 chase lounges, 30 cabanas, 38 day beds, can hold over 4,000 people in the 6 pools. And most importantly, it is a really nice place to see a Golden Knights game or any sports event. They really knocked it out of the park here. It's really beautiful at night as well. We have so many views of it at night in our original Circa video. I recommend checking that out to see all the rooftops in downtown, the sunset, everything. As we head back up to our room, the game is still on, but as you can see, there's nobody out by the pools at Stadium Swim. Las Vegas is a beautiful place at night, and if you're on the Strip view side, you're in for a treat. As you can see, Stratosphere, the brand new Resorts World, even Rio and Palace Station over there off to the side, Encore peeking through just a bit. A great, unique view of Las Vegas, and one I enjoyed quite a bit, laying in the bed, staring out at Las Vegas. Now let's head up to Legacy Club, their beautiful cocktail lounge on the 60th story. Let's do it. Themed to pay homage to the men who created Las Vegas, some of the visionaries behind many of your favorite casinos. Jay Sarno, of course, created Circus Circus and Caesar's Palace, and this is the patio that was closed because of the weather, but it has gorgeous outdoor views of the sunset and of the Vegas Strip. We were able to sit inside where there's a beautiful, large area here, still great views, and they have $1.7 million in gold that you can gawk at and enjoy, a throwback to the $1 million at Binion's. The Legacy Club. Salud.
Salud.
Right in front of your $1.7 million. There is the $1.7 million, and Jasmine got the Legacy Club signature cocktail. It was only $15. My soda was $6, so prices aren't cheap here, but they're certainly not as expensive as a top-level lounge on the Las Vegas Strip, and the views are absolutely incredible. It wasn't too busy on this night, so that was great too. The bar is beautiful. Keep in mind for the patio and some of the more in-demand seating that they do charge for sunsets and during specific times, but you can make reservations for Stadium Swim, Legacy Club, anything that they do allow reservations for right on their website. Super simple, but for the most part, you can get up here for free, and I recommend coming up here. This is video that Mark took a few weeks before our visit. He was able to visit with some friends on the fire pit, out with the sofas on the patio, and this is what it looks like. I can't wait to go back and enjoy this outdoor patio on a different night. So did you like Legacy Club?
I do. I like it. It's nice.
You like staring at the $1.7 million?
Yes.
While you
I
drink?
want them.
What's better, the view or the view of the Strip or the view of the $1.7 million?
The view of the Strip. Of course. Come on. Really?
I don't know. I like. As we head out of Legacy Club, we are back inside the casino, and this is the Vegas Vicky lounge that sits next to the lobby, and you can see Vegas Vicky's reflection. She was built in 1980 for Glitter Gulch, one of the properties that was replaced by Circa, and she sits in the middle of the casino today. One of the better decisions I think they made when they built Circa. You'll also see dancing dealers. You see the Mega Bar in the distance, which is the longest bar in all of Nevada. Let's check out Circa's casino on this evening. Heading up to the second floor now, and this is another casino up here, and even better views of the sportsbook here at Circa with its massive screen. And we are going to check out Victory Burger, which is one of the fast casual dining places here at Circa. You go up and order at the counter, pick your seat, sit down, and you have gorgeous views of the screen. It sits right next to the sportsbook. We checked out some nachos and some fries. We were gonna walk down Fremont Street later on, so we didn't want anything too fancy here, and Victory Burger fit the bill just perfectly. There's a lot said about Circa, a lot of hype. Mark loves it. I love it too. It's really nice. Like I said, there's areas where the materials aren't quite up to par with what you would expect. This was all privately funded. And they built only some of this building. Some floors of the tower are not finished. Some of the convention space is not finished. So they still have a ways to go. But overall, really nice so far. These look like some solid nachos. All right, we got the sauces. We got buffalo, mustard, barbecue, Boo Boo, ketchup, and Victory mustard. Have to try them all out. Clearly, I couldn't see the M in Boom Boom. All the sauces were really good, as were the views of the sportsbook and that massive screen. Circa created a brand. It had a promise. I think it delivers on everything that it promised to be. I really enjoyed my stay there. I think you're going to have a solid room with a great location. Mad Max. What are you gonna get? We played a little bit during our stay. I I think Jasmine ended up just about even. Lots of bonuses, though. So that was always good when you can have a good time. And the Mad Max machine, I think, was Jasmine's favorite on this night. Let me know if you want some slot videos. We've been sort of toying around with filming some. If you're interested in that on the channel, let me know in the comments. This is Circa's lobby as we say goodnight on what was a great stay. Not a 100% perfect hotel, not a high-end luxury experience, but an upper mid-tier hotel at one of the best locations in Las Vegas. You can't argue with that. I really enjoy Circa. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to leave a comment, smash the thumbs up button, and enter the contest for the giveaway. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.